Welcome to Defense News Plus. From the sources of PLA Daily, the PLA is trying to reinforce China's border defense and acting as a deterrent to India. An artillery brigade along with 10 units of digital version of PHL-03 long-range multiple rocket launchers have been deployed at the altitude of 5,200 meters in Ladakh, where PLA faced off Indian Army in a deadly conflict last year and has intensified its drills using a rocket system during combat-ready training. The maximum range of PHL-03 is 130 km. India wants disengagement from the remaining friction areas along the disputed Himalayan frontier, and China is deploying its rocket force as its main assault equipment of artillery troops and building permanent structure to strengthen its hold along the border at the time when the disengagement process and commander level meeting is going on to establish peace and confidence along the border. The Indian Defense Establishment said they are aware of the PLA report but did not comment further. The new weapon system is a long-range rocket launcher that can carry multiple 300mm or even bigger rockets with more than 100 km of firing range. And looking at the context, India is also stepping up military deployment along the borders to counter the Chinese rocket force. The Indian Armed Force deployed the BrahMos and Nirbhay cruise missile and keep all the frontline fighter jets Rafale, Mirage 2000, Su-30 MKI and MiG-29 as war ready. At this time, India badly needs the Russian S-400 air defense systems to ensure full protection from all types of threats. A single S-400 unit would be able to cover most of the Chinese forward bases along the Ladakh region and be able to pick up targets as soon as the Chinese jets get airborne from their bases. The 600 km detection range also means that an S-400 unit stationed in Ladakh would be able to look inside the Chinese territory and its air bases. The S-400 is also believed to be capable of shooting down stealth targets, a capability much required for the IAF against Chinese 5th generation J-20 fighter jets. The deliveries are expected to commence by November 2021. Next update, the trial for Indian Army's 41,000 light machine gun of 7.62 by 51mm belt fed is set to start in mid-2021. As per the term, these light machine guns are to be manufactured under Make in India initiative on full technology transfer. The Reliance Group, Adani Group, Bharat Forge Ordnance Factory Board are among the contenders in collaboration with different international manufacturer and European manufacturer. FNHerstal launches Evolis with 7.62 by 51mm, which matches with Indian Army's LMG criteria and similar to the FN series of assault rifles, with a range of new design features and concepts to deliver a highly mobile LMG. Next update, according to US Department of Defense Office of Inspector General, the Chinese-made CH4 unmanned aerial vehicles are currently grounded in Iraq Air Force for lack of spare parts. The Chinese CH4s were last flown in September 2019, considered as Iraqi Army Aviation Command assets when they were first launched in 2015. Iraq originally acquired 20 of such unmanned aerial vehicles, 8 of which have crashed. Next update, as per news from Times of India, China threatened Bangladesh with consequences if it considered any sort of participation in the Indo-Pacific Quad, warning that it will harm of ties. Chinese Ambassador Li Jiming said that the bilateral ties between the two countries will be substantially damaged if the country joins with the four-nation grouping of biggest naval strengths in the region: the United States, India, Australia, and Japan. Bangladesh would not get benefited. The Quad is an informal strategic alliance comprising India, the United States, Australia, and Japan. Officially, the group was made for safeguarding joint security and other interests in the Indo-Pacific region. However, lately the arrangement is seen as a counter to China's expansionist maneuvers, most importantly in the South China Sea and in the Greater Himalayan region. China considers the Quad as ASEAN NATO of the future. That's it for today. If you like our work, then please hit the like button, share this video, and do subscribe this channel to get the notification of the next video. Thank you.